Well. Here we are with the hood up, the cover off, because we have an engine misfire. This is the 6-cylinder, and there's 6 spark plugs. And of all 6, which do you think is the one that is having the issue? What is the one spark plug that is the biggest pain to get to and without taking off the intake manifold, I guess? You got it. Number 3 had a P0303 code and a misfire, so that means it's the 3rd cylinder. The spark plugs go 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. I've got number 3, so wish me luck. Fortunately, I have a spare spark plug, so I don't have to order them because I put in, whatever the HKS plugs. I'm just gonna make sure it's gapped properly and hope it's the plug and not the coil pack. Otherwise, then I'll have to probably go to either the dealer or AutoZone or whomever. But that's where I'm at.